How to load a paper roll in the HP DesignJet XL3800 multifunction printer. To access the paper menu, launch the paper app, then tap Load. Tip: if the printer is not printing and the drawer lock light is turned off, you can skip the paper app and proceed to the next step. Open the drawer. Warning: do not stand on the drawer because the printer may fall over. Please take note of the following. Do not place the paper roll on top of the scanner. You can load multiple rolls at the same time. Heavier rolls should be placed in upper drawers as they can weigh up to 18 kilograms, 40 pounds. Open the locking lever on the right hub. To make room for the roll, move the hub outwards. Open the locking lever on the left hub. Take the roll with the paper edge. Load the roll at an angle. Open the right locking lever and move the hub to the center, where it will engage with the roll. Check that the hubs are tightly fitted to the roll on both sides. Close the left locking lever. The hub engages the roll core to ensure precise roll management. Feed the paper into the slot. Continue feeding until you hear a beep. Close the drawer. On the control panel, select the paper type. As a convenience, the control panel remembers the last paper type loaded in this position. Manually enter the length of the roll. Note, if you loaded 2 rolls at once, the printer will prompt you to select the paper type for both rolls. Tip: keep the loading table in the position shown as much as possible. If this position is not possible for narrow media, move it to the middle of the roll. Tip: if the leading edge of the paper is not a clean cut, use the manual cutter with the drawer rail as a support. Tip: if necessary, the roll can be left in the drawer as shown to aid in the loading process. When you are ready, tap Finish and check. All loaded rolls are checked for position, width, and length by the printer. If the paper edge is not straight and clean, use the control panel's cutter icon to cut it off. After that, the printer advances the paper and cuts a straight line across the control edge. Tip: batch loading: you can load more than 1 roll at a time, load them into each drawer and press Finish and check. The printer automatically finishes loading both rolls and leaves them ready to use. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.